Massachusetts to Colorado, wildfires exploding across the country this week amid high temperatures and drought conditions. The Highland Lakes fire in Colorado threatening at least 700 homes, residents evacuated.
We are going to be extremely aggressive on this fire because it's 97 acres in the middle of a subdivision with extremely high winds.
People also fleeing to safety in Oklahoma. You can see this fire raging in Logan County. Smoke billowing through the air, flames lighting up the mountain range. A rare sight on the East Coast in Massachusetts. People dealing with brush fires.
Flames were shooting way up.
Coming dangerously close to neighborhoods.
This is a very wooded area. I mean, a lot of houses could have been destroyed.
Crews dropping water over the flames to try and contain them, but finding it ineffective. Firefighters saying water was knocking leaves from the trees to the ground, adding to the fuel source. In Connecticut, officials are deploying drones to monitor brush fires and helicopters to extinguish them.
We had about an average of 5 or 6 drones per day. Some impeding some of the Blackhawks that were coming into their flight line.
New Jersey also dealing with a small brush fire in East Hanover, the state banning campfires and charcoal fires in parks. Many of these fires fueled by a flash drought that has developed across the country over the last month. Dozens of states are affected by drought with little to no rain expected in the east this week. Record high temperatures are expected in parts of the country this week, creating even drier conditions. It will feel like it's late August rather than late October this week from the heartland to the East Coast. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.